everyone, and welcome to our Product Inspiration series. Today, we are excited to deep dive into the latest innovation from SAP when it comes to omni-channel order management. Joining me today is our product manager for the solution. Hi, Chris. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, Kathy. Sure. Thanks a lot for having me. My name is Chris Dirks, and I'm the lead product manager for SAP Order Management Services.
Fantastic. So let's start with the first question. Why did SAP invest in composable order management services?
The challenge for many organizations is to make the right customer promise and deliver on it every time. This is even harder with the proliferation of sales channels, online, in-store, in-app, marketplaces, sales and service reps, let alone with the complication of multiple brands in multiple regions. In addition, there are more and more sources of fulfillment all the time. Your own warehouses, in-store shipping and pickup, drop shipping and marketplaces. How do you bring all of this together for a good omni-channel customer experience with agility without overwhelming complexity? SAP is investing in SAP Order Management Services to optimize customer outcomes throughout the commerce journey by connecting demand and supply chain data and processes with flexibility, agility, and intelligence. The best experiences are based in a strong connection to execution, and that's especially true for order management and keeping customer promises. SAP Order Management Services delivers that with intelligent order execution for SAP Commerce Cloud and the rest of SAP customer experience. We've started with B2C and are investing in B2B as well.
That sounds wonderful. So what concrete scenario does this new innovation offer?
SAP Order Management Services is a central hub of omni-channel order management, managing the lifecycle of an order end-to-end, seamlessly integrated with SAP Commerce Cloud and SAP S/4HANA to deliver the end-to-end SAP experience and designed from the ground up for our heterogeneous landscapes our customers have. Based on global distributed availability, our OMS intelligently optimizes the sourcing for each order based on business KPIs and without complex rules. Orders are then orchestrated to the right fulfillment site and system or across multiple systems. With our cloud-native event-based architecture and easy drag-and-drop process configuration, organizations can manage the orchestration and processes of order management in a super scalable and easily manageable way, providing a golden central order to simplify the understanding of business performance in real time and quickly adapting to capture opportunities while keeping a clean digital core. We also manage the sales audit and transfer of point-of-sale transactions that our retail customers have with in-store operations. In addition to the value of having audited transactions connected into the financial systems, this also helps us with the OMS break down the barriers between online and in-store experiences. In-store availability, omni-channel order and return orchestration, and a truly omni-channel purchase history for the end consumer directly.
Interesting. Chris, before we jump right into the demo, can you please let us know how our customers benefit from omni-channel order management solution?
SAP Order Management Services dramatically simplifies the technical landscape and process management for omni-channel businesses. By providing a central hub of order management, it's much easier to add sales channels or fulfillment channels and have them take effect across your entire business without a lot of point-to-point integration. A lot easier to capture business opportunities on the fly. It's also easier to understand what you have sold so far today, where you're not meeting the customer promise, and adapt your processes quickly while keeping a clean digital core. We're investing now into predictions and recommendations to avoid problems before they arise, adding even more resiliency into keeping your customer promise profitably every time. SAP Order Management Services also plays a key role in the SAP Commerce Cloud composability strategy. With the investments in our composable OMS, Commerce Cloud can focus on the core commerce components and experiences, while SAP Order Management Services acts as the central operating system for order orchestration across upstream and downstream channels, including order execution in S/4HANA, and sets a solid cornerstone for unified commerce.
SAP Order Management Services from SAP are designed to enhance the purchasing and fulfillment journey from any order channel to any fulfillment channel for both customers and order specialists. With SAP OMS, you can get the perfect order every time. Let's dive into the journey of Tom, a shopper on the hunt for a stylish pair of jeans, and James, an order specialist from a retailer who wants to ensure a seamless order experience. Tom met his friend last weekend and really liked his new pair of jeans. His friend says they're from Best Run, so Tom opens the Best Run shop powered by SAP Commerce Cloud and uses the visual search feature to find jeans like his friends. In just seconds, SAP Commerce Cloud Visual Search suggests several options, including the men's jeans, Stonewash blue from the Best Run brand. So, Tom checks the size and availability provided in real time. In the background, SAP OMS is providing the real-time availability from any inventory location, be it from warehouses or specific stores. And as he shops, SAP OMS creates soft reservations for the products Tom desires, just like a retail associate would in store until you're ready to pay and leave the store. When Tom is ready to check out, SAP OMS continuously allocates the best location to ship, from which can be updated based on a variety of factors, such as adding an additional product to cart or updating quantities. Afterwards, Tom picks his shipping option and completes his purchase. Now, let's take a look behind the scenes at how James, our order specialist, uses SAP OMS to ensure this smooth experience across a distributed business and technical landscape. James needs to create some magic to balance meeting customer promises and preserving Best Run's business objectives. He creates sourcing and allocation strategies that leverage a unified inventory view in a way only SAP can deliver to ensure an excellent ordering experience for every channel and customer. SAP OMS allows James to set criteria that balance customer satisfaction and business goals. He adjusts the objectives for delivery time, shipping costs, and warehouse capacity. He can enter weights to mark the relative importance of each objective and insert goals and constraints for the algorithm's consideration. James can further define if this strategy allows for split product quantities or partial orders. James then runs a simulation to ensure that the objectives will meet the standards desired. The simulation results provide an easy-to-understand explanation behind the reasoning of how the criteria were balanced, along with scores for each fulfillment option. Intelligent sourcing and allocations and real-time inventory visibility at your fingertip is how SAP OMS drives the ordering experience even before an order has been created, starting from finding the product to the checkout. Speaking of which, now let's get back to Tom's order. SAP OMS provides complete visibility into the order lifecycle, detailing order information and customer data. Order items, fulfillment orders, payment information, and every activity that has already happened and will occur from purchase to delivery. The lifecycle is defined by James through configuring a set of events and actions that ensure a perfect order journey through a drag-and-drop interface. In this case, OMS triggers a flow to check for potential fraud after an order-created event is triggered. Flows can perform standard or custom-built actions, which includes calling external third-party system and microservices, and uses the results to make a decision. Everything is set. Tom's order is ready for the next steps in its life cycle: picking, packing, and shipping. SAP OMS can connect in a headless manner and via APIs to any existing fulfillment applications, or one can easily be built via SAP low-code, no-code tools with the requirements to match Best Run's exact business needs. Once items have been picked and packed, we're set for shipping and finding the most cost-effective carrier at this point in the order lifecycle. With SAP OMS, all information about the order's journey is continuously updated and visible to both Tom and James. James can go a step further and get insights on channel and fulfillment performance at an aggregated level by leveraging the data created at every step of the order. James can select specific timeframes and distribution centers and quickly grasp where issues causing late deliveries reside. In the end, Tom gets the jeans he wants when he wants them, and James achieves the perfect order. And thanks to SAP OMS, Tom can always shop with confidence with Best Run, powered by SAP.
Welcome to the world of SAP Intelligent CX. Our comprehensive suite of applications seamlessly integrates front-end and back-end systems, providing a unified and streamlined approach to managing customer interactions. we incorporate artificial intelligence that allows your team to work smarter and faster. And our industry-tailored use cases and partner ecosystem empowers organizations to deliver extraordinary experiences, build lasting relationships, and drive sustainable growth. Our composable SAP Customer Experience Suite enables leading brands to understand and protect customer data, increase lifetime value with personalized journeys, close more business faster, drive consistently profitable commerce outcomes, and deliver automated and agent-assisted service. Learn how you can deliver extraordinary customer experiences. Visit sap.com/cx.